Hello children, today we are going to study about an important chapter called quadratic equation. So what is a quadratic equation? See, a quadratic equation is an equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A second degree equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a not equal to 0 is called a quadratic equation. A 0 ആയാൽ എന്ത് സംഭവിക്കും? A 0 അല്ലെന്നാ പറയുന്നത്. A 0 ആയാൽ എന്ത് സംഭവിക്കും? A 0 ആയി കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ഈ ടേം ഇല്ലാണ്ടാകും. ഈ ടേം ഇല്ല എങ്കിൽ ആ സെക്കൻഡ് ഡിഗ്രി ടേം ഇല്ല. സെക്കൻഡ് ഡിഗ്രി ടേം ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ മാത്രമേ ക്വാഡ്രാറ്റിക് എന്ന് വിളിക്കത്തുള്ളൂ. The highest degree term in a quadratic equation is 2. So that's why we say a should not be equal to 0. So any equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is called a quadratic equation. One equation ആണെങ്കിൽ നമുക്ക് solve ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും. So you can solve a quadratic equation. There are different ways of solving a quadratic equation. The main two methods of solving a quadratic equation are, one is you can solve by factorization, and the second is by a formula. Factorization എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് വളരെ കോമൺ മെത്തേഡാണ്. What is the formula for solving a quadratic equation? Let us take one question and I'll show you how to do by both the methods. But before that, let me tell you what is the formula for solving a quadratic equation. So if ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is a quadratic equation, then x is equal to, I'm going to give you the formula for this, x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac the whole divided by 2a. This is the formula for finding the roots of a quadratic equation. Minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac the whole divided by 2a. So these are the two methods of solving a quadratic equation. The first method is factorization, the second method is formula. Let me take one question. And I'll show you how to solve this quadratic equation. We'll do by both the methods. Let me take one question. Say I take a question 9x square minus 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. Let us solve this quadratic equation using factorization. Now, what is the procedure of solving? The procedure is the product sum method. What is the product? The product is minus 18. And what is the sum? The coefficient of x, which is minus 3. How did you get minus 18? It is 9 into minus 2. And what is the sum? The sum is minus 3. So now tell me two numbers whose product is minus 18 and the sum is minus 3. Isn't it minus 6 and plus 3? Minus 6 into 3 is minus 18. Minus 6 plus 3 is minus 3. So this quadratic equation now can be written as 9x square minus 6x plus 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്തു? ഈ middle term, അതായത് x term has been split into 2, minus 6x plus 3x. And now you group the terms. Take out the common factor. So 3x common from the first two terms. So you get in bracket x minus 2. From the next two terms, you can take, there's nothing common. So 1 is the common factor. So 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. Or, 3x. 3x common at 3x minus 2. So now from these two terms, you can take 3x minus 2 as a common factor. You get in bracket 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. So this says 3x minus 2 will be 0 or 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. So that says x in the value ഒന്നുകിൽ 2 by 3 അല്ലെങ്കിൽ x in the value minus 1 by 3. So these are the roots of this quadratic equation. The process of solving this quadratic equation is called factorization. I hope this is clear. This method is called the product sum method. Now let us solve the same question using the formula. What's the formula? X is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. What is b? B is the coefficient of x. എന്താണ് coefficient of x? Minus 3. So what will be minus b? It will be plus 3. Plus root of b square, അതായത് coefficient of x ന്റെ square എടുക്കണം. Minus 3 യുടെ square, which is 9. 4ac 4 into a എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് 9, സി എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് -2, അപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ ഒരു മൈനസ് ഉണ്ട്, അല്ലാതെ ഇവിടെ ഒരു മൈനസ് ഉണ്ട്, ഇറ്റ് ബിക്കംസ് പ്ലസ് ദെൻ. സോ 4 into 9 36, 36 into 2 is 72 divided by 2 times a, 2 times a is 18. So this is equal to 3 plus or minus a root 9 plus 72 is 81 divided by 18. This is equal to 3 plus or minus, what is root of 81? 81 is a perfect square, so 9 divided by 18. Now you can split this into 2 as 3 plus 9. 3 plus 9 is, isn't it 12? 12 divided by 18. 3 minus 9. 3 minus 9 is minus 6 divided by 18, which simplifies to, see, 12 and 18 you can cancel by 6. So 2 divided by 3, and this is 6 on to cancel here, minus 1 by 3. See, the same answer. So this method is the formula method. So a quadratic equation you can solve by two methods, factorization or by formula. ഇത് രണ്ടും വളരെ അത്യാവശ്യമായിട്ടുള്ള മെത്തേഡാണ്. So try more questions using these two methods. Thank you.